Once upon a time, deep in the jungle, there lived a funny monkey named Milo. Milo was known for his playful tricks and cheerful nature that made everyone laugh. One day, a lost tourist named Jack wandered into the jungle, searching for a way out. Jack had come to the jungle for adventure but got separated from his group. As Jack stumbled through the trees, Milo watched from above with curiosity. Jack looked worried and confused, trying to read his crumpled map. Milo, sensing an opportunity for fun, swung down from the branches and startled Jack. Jack jumped back, dropping his map, but soon realized it was just a harmless monkey. Milo flashed a mischievous grin and picked up the map, studying it like a true explorer. "Hey, little guy, I need that map," Jack said, trying to grab it back. But Milo had other plans and darted up a tree with the map in hand. Jack chased after the monkey, laughing despite his frustration. Milo waved the map around, making playful gestures as if he knew the way. Jack couldn't help but laugh at the monkey's antics, even though he was lost. Eventually, Milo swung back down and dropped the map in Jack's lap. With a twinkle in his eye, Milo pointed in the direction Jack needed to go. Jack was amazed and decided to trust the funny monkey's instincts. Together, they began walking deeper into the jungle, Milo leading the way. As they walked, Milo would occasionally stop to show Jack interesting plants and animals. Jack felt like he had found a guide in this unexpected companion. They came across a beautiful waterfall, and Milo jumped into the water, splashing around. Jack, feeling adventurous, decided to join in, laughing as they played in the cool water. After the refreshing break, Milo led Jack to a high tree with an incredible view. From the top, Jack could see the entire jungle and the path leading out. Jack was filled with awe, realizing the beauty of the place he had been lost in. "You've been the best tour guide ever, little buddy," Jack said with a grin. Milo chattered happily, proud of his role in Jack's adventure. As they continued walking, Jack noticed how much he had learned from the experience. He had come to the jungle to explore but had gained so much more. Milo's carefree spirit reminded Jack to enjoy life's journey, even when lost. The monkey's playful attitude taught Jack that sometimes the unexpected can be the best part. They reached a clearing, and in the distance, Jack spotted a small village. "Looks like I've found my way back," Jack said with a smile. Milo nodded, as if to say, "I knew you would." Jack knelt down and gave the monkey a high five, thanking him for the fun adventure. As Jack walked toward the village, he looked back one last time. Milo waved goodbye from the trees, his laughter echoing through the jungle. Jack felt grateful for the experience and the unexpected friend he had made. He realized that sometimes getting lost isn't such a bad thing. Milo, watching from the treetops, knew that Jack would never forget their adventure. Back in the village, Jack shared his story with the locals, who laughed at his tale. They told Jack that Milo was famous for helping lost tourists with his funny ways. Jack smiled, knowing he had been part of something special. As he left the village, Jack felt a renewed sense of adventure and excitement for life. The funny monkey had taught him not to take life too seriously. Jack promised himself that he would always look for the fun in every situation. Milo, back in the jungle, continued his playful antics, ready to help the next traveler. He knew that laughter and kindness were the best ways to make a difference. The jungle was his playground, and he loved sharing it with others. Jack's adventure with Milo became a story he told for years to come. It wasn't just about finding his way out of the jungle, but finding joy in the journey. Every time Jack felt stressed or lost in life, he would remember Milo's playful spirit. The funny monkey had shown him that there's always a way, even when things seem uncertain. Jack learned to embrace the unknown and trust that things would work out. His time with Milo had changed him, making him more open to new experiences. Jack continued to travel the world, always looking for the adventure in every moment. And wherever he went, he carried Milo's lessons with him. The world became a more exciting place, full of surprises and laughter. Jack never forgot the joy of that jungle day, guided by a mischievous monkey. Milo, meanwhile, continued to spread happiness to all who crossed his path. His playful nature was a reminder that life is meant to be enjoyed. Even when things don't go as planned, there's always something to smile about. Jack's life became richer, not because of his travels, but because of his mindset. He approached every challenge with the same lightheartedness he had learned from Milo. People often asked Jack how he stayed so positive and joyful. He would laugh and tell them about his jungle adventure with a funny monkey. They would smile, inspired by the story of the little monkey who changed Jack's life. Milo became a legend among travelers, known as the jungle's secret guide. But to Jack, Milo was more than just a guide, he was a friend and a teacher. The memory of their time together never faded, no matter where Jack's journey took him. Every now and then, Jack would return to the jungle, hoping to see Milo again. Though he never found the monkey, he always felt his presence. Jack knew that Milo was out there, helping others find their way. The jungle, once a place of confusion, had become a place of joy and discovery. Jack often sat by the waterfall, remembering the day he and Milo splashed in its waters. He smiled, knowing that some of the best moments in life come when you least expect them. Milo had taught him that no matter how lost you feel, there's always a way to find your path. Jack's heart was full of gratitude for the lessons he had learned from the funny monkey. His time with Milo remained a guiding light in all of his future adventures. Jack's story spread far and wide, inspiring others to embrace the unexpected. The funny monkey became a symbol of hope, joy, and the power of laughter. Jack's tale reminded everyone that even in the wildest of places, there's magic to be found. Milo continued his playful adventures, swinging through the trees with endless energy. He was always ready to help another lost soul find their way with a smile. Jack often thought about how lucky he was to have met such a special friend. The jungle, with its beauty and mystery, had become a place of wonder for him. And all because of a funny monkey who turned a moment of fear into one of joy. Jack's journey had been filled with laughter, thanks to Milo's carefree spirit. He knew that no matter where life took him, he could always find joy in the journey. Milo's laughter echoed through the jungle, a constant reminder of life's simple pleasures. Jack took that lesson with him wherever he went, spreading joy and laughter. The funny monkey's legacy lived on in the hearts of all who heard Jack's story. And in the jungle, Milo swung happily, knowing that he had made a difference. The jungle was more than just his home, it was a place of endless possibility. Jack's life was forever changed by the funny monkey who showed him the way. No matter how lost you feel, there's always a friend ready to guide you with laughter. Jack's story became a beacon of hope for travelers everywhere. Milo, the funny monkey, remained the jungle's secret, spreading joy to all who came his way. Jack's heart was full, knowing that he had found something truly special. The adventure of the funny monkey and the lost tourist was a tale that would last forever.